Bonjour and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to Bonjour and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of the actual French president since 2017, Emmanuel Macron. So how do you pronounce his name correctly with a typical French accent? You will say Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron. Did you know that Emmanuel Macron was the youngest French president of all the time? He was only 39 years old when he got elected in 2017. It's very young. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you an amazing day. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye bye. Salut.